Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make faux leather bows using a faux leather tote bag from Dollar Tree. It is only $1.50 here in Canada. The size of each bag is approximately 9.5 inches by 11 inches. I have also made a name keychain out of this tote bag. If you want to see this tutorial, I put the link in my description box. I'm also going to use the bow template from Design Space. It's 99 cents or free if you have Cricut Access. I also found 2 free bow templates from Design Space, and this is how to find them. Open your Design Space app. On your home page, type in leather bow, and these 2 free templates will pop up. So you can click one of them, and this is how it looks like. And all we have to do is resize them according to the size that you want and ungroup them. Now I'm going to show you step by step how I made the bows. Open your Design Space app, click Projects, then type in Leather Bow. And then from here you can see the Pebbled Leather Bows project. Click that, then click Customize. And here you can see there's a hidden template of leather bow. Just click the eye icon to unhide it. Now I'm happy with the size of this template. It's almost 4 inches. Once it's cut, I'm going to fold it in half and I'm going to use a 2-inch crocodile clip. Now once the template is selected, click Ungroup. Now this short bow topper, I'm going to change the size to 4.5 inches. Now since I'm only going to use one color of leather, I'm going to change both of their colors to one color so they don't have to be on separated mats when being cut. Click Make It. And I'm going to rearrange the pieces on how I want them to be cut on the mat. I'm using Cricut Explore Air 2 and I have my faux leather paper thin saved on my favorites. If you don't, just click Browse All Materials and then type in faux leather paper thin. And then I always adjust the pressure to more. And according to Cricut, it's recommended to load a fine point blade in clamp B, but I chose to use a deep cut blade. So load your tools and materials and press the flash and go button on your machine. So these are the materials that I used in this project. I put the full descriptions and where I got them from in my description box. I'm using a green mat or the standard grip mat because I don't have the purple mat. It is recommended to use a purple mat when cutting a leather. So put the leather facing the mat like so and use a brayer if you have one. I love mine because it helps my material to lay flat easier and quicker. Now I'm going to cut this bottom part because it has some wrinkles and I'm going to use this Cricut metal ruler together with the Cricut rotary cutter. I like how easy it is to cut materials using this Cricut metal ruler and Cricut rotary cutter. I use them a lot when cutting vinyl, transfer tapes, cardstock, and fabrics like this faux leather. Now I'm going to put tape on each corner because I will need extra grip since I'm only using a green mat. Now I'm going to use a hot glue on this one, but since the inside part of the leather is fabric, it is recommended to use a fabric hot glue. Now in attaching the bows to the crocodile clip, I'm going to be using a combination of E6000 and the hot glue. Just press it and let it dry overnight. And there we have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!